In this video, I'll show you how to use predictable media to create effective audiences on Facebook to increase your advertising efficiency. You may have heard about lookalike audiences, or maybe you or your agency are running this kind of advertising. But most of the campaigns aren't properly set up or well optimized. That's because all most marketers do is take a snapshot of their customer list and upload a CSV file to Facebook. Once the data is uploaded, the bad news is your customer list is already outdated. So you're giving Facebook a misleading signal about who your real customers are today. The first thing to do is to head over to predictablemedia.com and log in using your credentials. Once you are in, make sure that you have integrated your e-commerce store's data source. Haven't done that yet? Go over to the upper right-hand navigation bar and click on your account name. Select Settings. Choose your e-commerce provider under Set up your sources. So whether you use Shopify, Square, Magento, WooCommerce, or any other source, now's the time to set it up. Once you do, follow the simple online screen instructions to start integrating all of your customer data into predictable media. The third step is synchronizing your Facebook ads account with predictable media. Just like before, hover over to the right side navigation bar, click on your account name, select Settings. Under Set up your destinations, select the Facebook ads integration. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll have synced your account in less than a minute. Once the integration is ready, a checkmark will appear in front of the Facebook ads integration under Set up your destinations. Now moving on to step 4. It's time to create your own custom audiences in predictable media. Obviously, your aim here is to attract new customers and boost your e-commerce store's advertising efforts. To achieve this, we'll select people who have purchased one or more of your products in the last 30, 90, or 180 days. You can select your custom audience by going over to the left sidebar menu on Predictable Media. Now select Suggested Audience. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to see audiences that we've built for you based on your customer transactional data. In the middle, all the crucial relevant metrics are put in place to help you understand the value of each audience. And in the upper right side, you can select the time period, which you can use to select and filter each audience based on time. To build the best lookalike audience, we recommend using the audience in the Customers with Orders section in the last 30, 90, or 180 days. For Facebook, the minimum source audience size is 100 people, but they recommend setting it higher. The higher the number in your source audience, the more similar people Facebook can find. As an expert, I recommend you export at least a customer list of 300 people. Play with period. Starting from the last 30 days, keep increasing it until you reach more than 300 contacts in the Customers with Orders section. Once you have 300 people in the section, move your mouse over to the Customers with Orders section and click Export. Then click Synchronize Export. Now click Facebook Ads and then Export. Congratulations, you have your first synced and updated audience on Facebook. Now step 5 is confirming whether your audience has been synced to your Facebook Business Manager. Sign into your Facebook Business Manager, select Audiences, and search for the audience name built in Predictable Media. Moving on to step 6. Now we will create a lookalike audience on Facebook to level up our Facebook marketing campaign. With our audience already synced via Predictable Media, we can now build our lookalike advertising campaign to reach new customers. From the Facebook Business Manager screen, select Create Audience, and next, Lookalike Audience. Under Select Your Lookalike Source, click on the Other Sources section and scroll down and select the audience that we've already built. Select the location that you would like to target and select an audience range from 1 to 3%. A 1% lookalike consists of the people most similar to your lookalike source. On the other hand, increasing the percentage creates a bigger and broader audience. The final step, step 7. Now your audience is ready to be synced and updated every hour. It's time to put it into practice. Just set up the rest of the ad set and publish your campaign. If you need to make a more targeted lookalike campaign, Predictable Media would like nothing more than to help you out. Just go to the left sidebar menu, select Audience Creator, and we will provide you with different data science models to identify your best customers, lapsed customers, predict customer life cycles, build audiences based on the products they have bought in your store, and much, much more. Why settle for less when you can finally dominate the market? Don't wait around. Use predictable media to level up your Facebook advertising efforts. Good luck with your first synced lookalike campaign, and we hope you reach out to that high number of customers you've always desired. And if you have any questions, we'd love to address them. Contact us today.